In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account for business. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Create Account page. This is the official sign-up page where you can set up a new Google account that includes a Gmail address. Make sure you are on a legitimate Google page before you enter any personal information. If you are already signed in to a personal Google account, you may want to sign out first or use a private browsing window so you do not accidentally create the new account under the wrong profile. Once you are on the Create Account screen, choose the option that says For My Business. This selection helps Google tailor the setup toward business use, and it can also influence the type of guidance you see during the process. After selecting For My Business, click Yes, Continue. This confirms your choice and moves you to the Information section. Next, enter your name or your company name along with your birthday. Use a name that matches how you want this account to appear when you send emails, since recipients often see the account name. For a business presence, many people use a company name or a role-based name that fits their brand. Then you will choose your Gmail address and password. Try to pick an address that is simple, professional, and easy to say out loud. Avoid extra symbols or complicated spelling that could confuse customers. When creating your password, use a strong one with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and do not reuse a password from another account. Store it securely so you can access it later without sharing it widely. After that, enter your own email or phone number that you will use for the company. This is typically used for verification and account recovery, which is important if you ever forget your password or need to confirm your identity. Use contact details that the business can reliably access. Finally, follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup. Google may ask you to verify your information, review terms, and adjust a few basic settings. Take your time and read each screen carefully so you do not miss anything important. And that is all there is to it.